Hi guys, Nick from LRM. We're the manufacturers of the VersEseal products. Really excited today to tell you about our new VersEseal top coat that we're launching, specifically designed for caravans, RVs and sorting out all of those waterproofing issues you got there. So we're going to take you through the process. So the first step in the process is to make sure you've got a clean, dry surface. So we do that with a quick pressure wash, followed by a light sand, then wipe down with a damp cloth to remove the dust. So the next step is to mask up, to make sure you've got that nice clean edge. Having put that masking tape on, first coat a rapid build geofabric, pre-cut that to size. Always easier to do it when you're not dealing with wet product at the same time. Lay the geofabric in, and then put the second coat of rapid build straight over the top.
You've now got a 24-hour wait to make sure you've got that nice and dry.
And then give it that extra coat over the top to give yourself 1 to 1.2 millimetres of dry film build. That's going to give that waterproofing that you're really looking for.
Once your final coat of rapid build has dried completely, which will take about 96 hours, it's time for your top coat.
2 good coats of that white top coat is going to be exactly what you need. Applied about an hour apart. Okay guys, so there you have it. Our instructions on how to use our waterproofing pack for your caravan. Available in a small size kit and a larger size kit. If you need more information, please get in contact.